Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve a really interesting equation and calculate the value of x. So the first step what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how to rewrite this 8 as a multiple of 2. So this here can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 whole power x minus 2 raised to the power of x. And then this is divided by 6 is given here. So the 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 whole raised to the power x minus of 3 raised to the power x is equal to 2. Now after this, if you notice, then we can use a property of exponent that says that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power n whole power m, which means the powers can then be interchanged. So this means that this is 2 raised to the power x whole power 3 minus 2 raised to the power of x divided by, in the denominator we are going to use another property, which is a raised to the power a multiplied by b raised to the power m can be written as a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m, which means the power gets distributed. So this is 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x is equal to 2. Now if you notice from the numerator here, we can take out 2 raised to the power x as common. So inside the bracket we have 2 raised to the power x whole raised to the power 2 minus of 1 in the numerator, and then in the denominator we have 3 raised to the power x, and then this is divided by 2 raised to the power x minus of 1 is equal to 2. So here multiple rules of exponents and powers can be kind of applied. So if you notice that this looks like a square minus b square, so in this particular section we will be using the algebraic identity of a square minus b square, which is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So a minus b multiplied by a plus b, and then this is divided by 3 raised to the power x 2 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2. So from this equation we can kind of cancel out this part of the solution over here. Now this means that we are left with 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power x plus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power x is equal to 2. So now after this, what we are going to do is divide both sides of the equation by the number 2. So let us divide this side by 2 and this side by 2 as well. So on this side we have 1, and cross multiplying 3 raised to the power x on this side, we now get 2 raised to the power x minus of 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power x. Now this clearly means that here the value of x cannot be equal to 0. So let us assume that the value of x is equal to 1. Now let us calculate the value of LHS. So the value of LHS is 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1. Now 1 minus 1 would result in 0. So this is 2 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1, that is 2, so 2 plus 1. Now 2 raised to the power 0 is technically 1, so this is 1 multiplied by 3, which is 3. So the value of LHS comes out to be 3. Now let us calculate the value of RHS. So the value of RHS is 3 raised to the power of x, which means that this is 3 raised to the power 1, which is 3. So clearly for x equal to 1, what we now obtain is that the value of LHS is equal to RHS. So technically this is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.